A Beijing-based marine affairs expert has warned Vietnam to not box itself into a dead-end alley. Zhang Ying, a researcher with the China Institute for Marine Affairs under the State Oceanic Administration, made the comments after 4 Chinese were confirmed dead in anti-Chinese protests in Vietnam. Zhang refuted Vietnamese media reports accusing China of illegally placing the oil rig HD 981 inside Vietnam's exclusive economic zone. Zhang said that the waters in which the oil rig is operated are only 17 nautical miles from China's Shisha Islands, while about 150 nautical miles from Vietnam's coast. In other words, the drilling site is located only 5 nautical miles from the outer limit of China's territorial sea and is undeniably within China's exclusive economic zone. China also established around the oil rig a safety area with a radius of 3 nautical miles and advised other vessels not to enter. Hanoi has dispatched armed vessels to the waters. They also placed fishing nets and large obstacles in the water. The move posed a security threat to the Chinese ships.